Welcome to Crypto Forex Insights, your go-to channel for trading, blockchain, and building real digital wealth. Today, we're diving into Forex trading for beginners and how it connects to the blockchain revolution. Forex stands for foreign exchange, the global marketplace for trading currencies like the USD, EUR, or GBP. It's open 24/5 and is the most liquid market, moving over 6 trillion per day. Forex gives you a flexible way to build income, whether part-time or full-time. Plus, it's the perfect stepping stone to understanding blockchain wealth. Here are the essential terms you must know. Bail pips, price movement, bail spread, buy-sell difference, bail margin, required capital bail leverage, risk multiplier. Smart traders blend technical and fundamental analysis. Technical equals charts and indicators. Fundamental economic news and reports. Pick a trusted broker, look for regulation, low spreads, fast withdrawals, and demo accounts. Some good options: Exness, IC Markets, or Oanda. Start with tools like MetaTrader 4, 5, TradingView, and Baby Pips for free education. You don't need fancy tools, just consistency. Blockchain is changing Forex too. Now you can fund accounts with crypto, trade crypto pairs, or use DeFi tools for investing. Join our Telegram, comment your questions, and follow for more. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a chance to grow your crypto trading skills.